Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid studio, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with an explication request. This explication request comes from our Facebook community, Baby Brokers Doing Hat Tricks. Feel free to join our test-taking tribe over there. Baby broker is a term of endearment for rookies in the securities industry, and a hat trick is three successes in a limited time frame. Think SIE Series 7 Series 66. Specifically, this community member wants to know why C doesn't work. So let me give you the right answer, then I'll show you why C doesn't work. All right, so here's our initial setup. The key to margins is know the classical margin equation, which is long market value minus debit equals equity. I think the best analogy is a house. Market value of the house minus mortgage on the house equals equity on the house. Long ago in a far off galaxy, the stock had to be higher because we have a special memorandum to the account of $6,000. That was a holding tank for excess equity long ago. As of the closed business yesterday, the margin client had a long market value of 50, debit of 40. Well, 25% is 12.5. If I would have asked you what is minimum maintenance on this account, that answer would have been 12.5. Of the 12.5, you already have in the account $10,000 in equity. And so you're going to receive a maintenance call of $2,500 due promptly. People get hung up on this. Oh, T plus one plus two. I go, no, that's a call for initial money, not a call for maintenance. Maintenance calls are due promptly. So the answer is A. Now, let me show you why deposit $2,500 doesn't work. If you deposit $2,500 in fully paid for securities, the equity will be 12.5, but 25% is not going to do that, right? So here's now the new setup based on choice C. I'm showing you why choice C is not correct. Now we have 12.5 in equity, but remember it's 25% of the market value. We now have a new market value, 25% of 52.5, 50,000 plus the 2,500 you put in there is 13,125, and you're still in maintenance. So that's why C doesn't work. If you're going to give me securities, you're going to have to come up with more than whatever the maintenance is. All right, margin. Don't overdose on margin. There's two, three, max four questions on your Series 7, and they're not as tricky as these kind of questions. In fact, I will link to my lecture called Don't Overdose on Margin or a class replay of margin. And that should be sufficient to get you through your exam. So remember, inch by inch, margin is a cinch, yard by yard, margin is hard. And I will see you for the next explication request.